Okay.
Whoa!
Hello, everybody. This is my version of from the house. It's almost midnight. I don't really care. It's just I heard a thunderstorm coming, and now look at this. Our neighborhood is literally flooding right now.
Yan, love. Ang lakas ng ulan, nagfla-flood yung road namin.
But wow,
Yes,
this is my second encounter.
It's such a heavy rain talaga.
But this is a sight to see.
You saw the rain from the lightning?
Nah,
Oh my God.
nah, I see it from the street lights.
I want to see it from yung kung ano nakikita mo.
My brother's speaking
Pag
Filipino.
nagla-light.
Whoa,
Humina na yung ulan.
amazing. This sure is a sight
I like
to
how
see.
you say it finished too, but
This was going
That was
on
good.
for more than 10 minutes. This is the
the
longest
lightning has been
thunderstorm.
going on for a long time.
I'm scared. It's so scary.
Quiet.
It's scary.
Quiet
It's sad at the
kasi.
same time.
Because we want to hear. Ooh, that's gonna be a loud one.
Mother Nature's angry
I know. She's been angry for a long time.
since COVID-19. Because everybody's chopping down the trees because they're holding toilet paper. I mean, hoarding.
Okay. Oh, love!
Oh!
Did you get that?
my God! I did get that!
Okay, good job.
Woohoo!
There was a lightning streak across here.
A legit streak. But wow, I sure am tired. I am not sleeping until this is over because this will keep me awake.
Oh, wow, that's so good.
That's your boy.
Oh,
That's your
that
boy.
was above the
That's
house.
your boy. 1 minute. Okay, back to the storm. Everybody, if you're awake, you should see this now.
It's a video recording and you're telling them, if you're awake, you should see this now. Ooh, love, did you see that?
This might be an unhealthy sleep, but but it's worth it to see this beauty. Did you see that? There was a little lightning strike.
That's gonna be loud.
I'm gonna record the flood. Flood! Goya, get your head out the way.
There's no more flood.
Flood! No, look at the streets!
Oh, wow, love that one.
Beautiful! Hi, Ate Yana.
Hi daw. Ooh, love.
This is... I hope you're staying at home, because if you
You're
step out...
lucky that you're in Dublin.
We're not lucky, because Dunmore is pretty near to Waterford.
Look at... Yeah, but
One strike, more kill.
you saw that? Good job, love. Ooh, you know.
This...
Can you-
Yeah, I'd rather... Is there lots of thunderstorms in the Philippines?
Yes. There's rainy season, there's sunny season, and there's thunder season.
Yeah. That's
It's
only
called
3...
typhoon season.
Whoa. This is beautiful to watch.
I should have. Nah. I was gonna say. Ooh. You didn't see that, love, did you?
I'm recording the entire
Did
thing.
you see that one though?
Oh my
It's
gosh.
still running across the whole sky. Kanina.
It's beautiful.
I can
Yeah.
hear the thunder coming around. Love,
Oh
there
my
was like 1, 2, 3 lightnings in one go. Wow. 3, why are you in the way?
Well, be grateful. This gives us oxygen.
That's true. Why are you recording this thing?
No, just to see the sky. It's so bright.
Did you see how bright that was? No, you didn't. You were looking at the laptop. It's okay.
Really?
Look at how bright that was.
It's a beautiful sight. It's a beautiful sight. It's gonna
No.
be the end of
Did
the
you see
world.
all that, love? Did you see all that?
Beautiful.
Alright, Mia,
Beautiful.
Back to you. Shh. If you're gonna record, shh, stay quiet.
Fine.
You know, love. Have you stayed in Pinas? Ria, there's no point of having flash or a light if you're recording something that's light. That don't make sense. No, have you ever stayed in Pinas where there was a thunderstorm? No, like thunderstorm like this.
Boom!
Okay, I have a cuento later.
Can't wait to send this to the school.
And it's an old cuento. I'm
But
like,
oh my gosh, look at the street.
whoa, whoa, love, it's still going.
It's so late. Thunderstorm.
Oh my god, that was nice. Like, yeah.
Perfect.
See. Listen, love.
Oh my gosh. You can legit
I have
see.
to stand up for that one. That was
Beautiful. See ya. Okay. I'm coming too. I have to record this.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
This is nice memorial of 2020. I love this year. When will it die? Oh gosh, I hope it's soon. I want to cry.
There's no tree. There's the tree.
Oh, love. This is beautiful. Turn off your lamp.
No, it's fine.
Happy?
Dang it, now I could see.
In Ate's room.
Watch it, McDonald's.
Can we camp on your floor tonight?
Look, can you see the road?
Kalaban
That's
sila.
all water.
Our road is filled with water.
That's all water. And there's more water on that side.
It's like a mini pool.
Oh my god.
I'm scared.
I haven't seen a thunderstorm like this since Pinas.
Can you hold this? Take it. I'll be a minute.
Get out of my room, both of you!
Wait ka lang. I just want to watch.
Need a drink.
Feeling ko it's gonna be finished soon ah.
Here, can I have my phone back?
Thank ya!
Oh, you go there on that side. Move that over there.
Okay. Then I just turn that around.
Sige, go.
Whoa.
Diba?
My heart is pounding.
Sorry, Ate Main.
Thanks for letting us go in your room, big sis.
Ooh. That was love. I don't know why I'm so fascinated with lightning, but
I'm so
ever since
fascinated.
I love.
This is
ever
Have a
since
window in your room.
there's a tree in front of you.
there's a big tree blocking it.
Bye, Sisi.
Bye, Sisi.